Take a very close look at this image. This is a reportedly leaked, unreleased look at the Tesla Optimus Gen 3 in a matte black composite finish. Now, look at the XPeng iron from China. The shoulder actuators, the bionic curvature of the limbs, even the way the synthetic skin wraps around the joints, they aren't just similar. They are nearly identical. In the high-stakes world of 2026 robotics, this isn't just a design trend. This is a signal that the two most powerful EV companies on the planet have finally found the perfect human form. But who actually got there first? And is Tesla playing catch-up to a Chinese rival that moves so realistically? Skeptics originally thought it was a human in a suit. Today, we are breaking down the absolute latest from a March 2026 Austin Pop-up, the truth behind the clone controversy, and the hardware gap that might give XPeng the ultimate edge if Tesla's AI doesn't stop them first. For years, Tesla kept Optimus behind the closed doors of gigafactories. That changed dramatically in late 2025 and early 2026. At the new Tesla diner in Hollywood, customers weren't just met by human staff. They were served by a black-clad Optimus unit that has since gone viral. It wasn't just a static display. The robot navigated through high-traffic crowds, handled delicate popcorn bags with precision, and even engaged in playful, human-like interactions. This Poptimus demo was the first real-world look at Tesla's safe-to-human protocols in a chaotic environment. But the real question isn't which robot can serve popcorn. It's which one will survive the brutal reality of mass production. The technical shift reached a boiling point just days ago, in March 2026, at the Autonomy Pop-up in downtown Austin. This was the public debut of what insiders call version 2.5. This isn't just a hardware tweak. It is a total software takeover. For the first time, Optimus is reportedly running fully on the FSD, full self-driving neural backbone. It doesn't use LiDAR or pre-map floor plans. It sees and thinks using 8 high-resolution cameras, processing its environment exactly like a Tesla car on the highway. But here's where it gets interesting. Reports from the event suggest a major face upgrade, a rumored collaboration for a high-end OLED display behind the visor. Unlike the simple LED patterns of Gen 2, this new screen reportedly allows Optimus to communicate status and even subtle facial expressions. The hardware is catching up, too. These Gen 3 hands now feature 22 degrees of freedom, allegedly powered by 50 actuators across the forearms. This allows for hyperdexterity, the ability to use standard human tools, flip microscopic switches, and manage heavy battery cells on a production line that is already running 24/7 in Fremont. And if you're into real-world AI breakthroughs like this, make sure you're subscribed, because this space is moving faster than anyone predicted. Now, while Tesla is perfecting the industrial brain, XPeng has just built what many are calling the ultimate bionic body. In late 2025, XPeng held their landmark AI Day and unveiled the Iron Humanoid. The moment it walked onto the stage, the internet went into a frenzy. The walking gait was so fluid, and the hip and shoulder coordination was so natural, that skeptics claimed it was a human cosplayer. The conspiracy theories got so loud that XPeng's CEO had to bring the robot back out and have engineers unzip its synthetic mesh skin on a live stream to show the mechanical chassis and bionic spine underneath. But don't let the smooth movement fool you. Raw hardware doesn't always translate to real-world dominance. However, the specs on the XPeng Iron are hard to ignore. While Optimus has around 40 active degrees of freedom, the Iron features a massive 82 degrees of freedom across its body. It also features a biomimetic spine and flexible muscles that allow it to mimic human posture with a realism that Tesla hasn't yet matched. And this is the part most people missed: the battery. Early reports suggest Iron is the world's first humanoid powered by an all-solid-state battery. This makes the robot 30% lighter and, according to XPeng, significantly more heat-resistant and durable than traditional lithium packs. This is a massive safety requirement for a machine meant to live in your home. Under the hood, Iron is powered by 3 custom Turing AI chips, delivering a combined 2,250 TOPS of computing power. This runs what XPeng calls the 3-brain system, a vision-language task model that allows the robot to walk, talk, and interact simultaneously. Iron is already on the front lines, helping assemble the new XPeng P7 Plus sedan, where it handles precision quality checks that require sub-millimeter accuracy. This brings us to the controversy currently trending across every tech forum: the black outfit leak. When you put that reported photo of the Optimus Gen 3 next to the XPeng Iron, the silhouettes are nearly indistinguishable. This has sparked a clone war debate. Did Tesla borrow the Bionic aesthetic that XPeng perfected in late 2025? Or are both companies simply arriving at the same logical conclusion? In engineering, this is called convergent evolution. Just as every modern smartphone eventually became a black glass rectangle, the physics of a humanoid, needing to use human chairs and fit through human doors, may dictate that there is only one perfect shape. As we head into the second half of 2026, the two companies are taking very different paths. Tesla has the intelligence edge. With millions of cars on the road feeding its neural networks, Optimus has a level of common sense that is nearly impossible to replicate. Tesla is currently scaling their Fremont facility, aiming for a massive production capacity and a price point that could potentially sit between $20,000 and $30,000. On the other side, XPeng has the hardware and empathy edge. The Iron's 82 degrees of freedom and lifelike presence make it the clear winner for commercial service. While Tesla wants to dominate the factory floor, XPeng is targeting museums and hospitality, where a robot needs to move like a human to be accepted. The Humanoid Wars of 2026 are no longer about who can build a robot that walks. It's about who can build a robot that fits into our lives. In the next 5 years, one of these machines could be working in your home, cooking your meals, or organizing your office. Tesla has the brain, and XPeng has the body. But the real conflict isn't just USA versus China. It's AI versus hardware. Which one would you truly trust to step across your threshold and into your private life? Would you choose the industrial-scale powerhouse of the Tesla Optimus, backed by a global fleet of millions of vehicles, teaching it how to navigate our world with cold, calculated precision? Or would you prefer the bionic fluidity of the XPeng Iron, a machine that doesn't just mimic human movement, but embraces it with a lifelike grace and a fail-safe solid-state heartbeat designed specifically for the sanctuary of the home? Let me know in the comments. Would you prefer a robot that looks like a machine, or one that is so human it's almost indistinguishable? Your answer might determine the future of human labor. Make sure you're subscribed to RoboFrontier to stay on the front lines. We'll see you in the future.